Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will play Vehicle Legends again. So let's start. So in the previous episode, I bought this car, and and also guys, this video. Sorry for not uploading and sorry for being late to this update. But actually, the developers added a new car in the game. Let me show you. It's one of the second most expensive car in the Bugatti Bolide. Yeah, there's no Easter anything update, but there's a new car, and look at its speed, guys. So fast. Stock speed is 500 km/h. Now that's a lot. And look at its horsepower and launch. Yeah, that's really expensive. You can open hood, but actually doesn't work. So yeah. So uh, we can't buy that. So let's see what we'll buy next. So we in the previous video we bought this thing. This is also really fast. So what should I buy next, guys? Even this car is lower than this car, as you can see. You can buy this, or you can buy even the Ferrari is lower. Guys, I'm thinking we're gonna buy this thing. I think I don't. It will take a lot of time. I think what should we buy next? We should, I think, buy this car. This is a really nice car, so I'm gonna buy this car in this video. So I don't think I will be able to do that this video, but yeah. Let's go, and I'm gonna use this car. I think guys we should upgrade it, right? I have 17k. Guys, we should upgrade our car so it gets even faster. See what's the engine upgrade for? Engine upgrade. You can buy the engine upgrade one, so that's good. We're gonna buy that for now. What can we buy? I don't think we can buy anything else. Otherwise, this car looks good. Or I think we should change the rims. Wait, let me see. We can also change the tires, but we don't have money. Sad. Okay. Appearance, rims, and get black, I think. I don't know, black is not. I want it to be really black. Yeah. Don't know, I think that's okay. Let's see. This looks kinda good, kind of. No. This looks good, you can say. And I think I'm gonna keep it red and keep the car like that. So that's good. So let's do some races, guys, because why not? Let's go. It looks cool at night. Its tires. Oh, they updated this entrance. A little different. Before they did not have an entrance like that. Now it says Vehicle Legends as well. Nice entrance, and nothing that much has changed, but yeah. So can do. Let's see. What race should we do? I think the race will end in some time. The engine is massive. This guy has a Ferrari. I think we're not gonna buy this. It's kind of slow, but I'm gonna buy a car I've never bought before. Even in my other account, it's the car that comes after the fight, the $330,000 McLaren. So that's also good because we can also buy this car. This looks also cool. The Corvette, I think. The race is about to end. There must be a little bit of people left. Let's ask people for Beach Dash. Ask them. So, bro, why does this car have yellow tires, yellow interior, and this type of paint? Ricer. Okay, the race starting. Okay. Race is starting. Okay. There's a lot of people, 7 people. Yeah. I've seen in Driving Empire you can only do 8 people in the highway race. And in this game you can do more people than before. That game I mean. And I've also seen in a previous an update the cars also got faster. Like my other account I played with my car was so slow, but when the update came it got faster. That's good. And this car was not this fast before as well, but yeah. The interior doesn't even look like, doesn't even match the car. Looks like a kind of a McLaren. Oh, I passed that. Corvette is slow in this game, going a little faster than my stock speed. You don't need to buy the engine grid 1, 2 or 3. Straight go for the engine grid 4. I used the money I had, so yeah. I at least got 5k. Yeah. Uh, okay. Do you know guys that this car you see right here with the Corvette is actually a Supra? It looks like a luxury type car, but it's actually a Supra, guys. My ref told me, can say Dark Wolf, whatever. He told me that this is actually a Supra. When I looked at the back, then I thought, bro, it's actually Supra. And yeah, if we can, I think we can buy the Corvette because it has really nice modifications and it's a really good car you can buy. But I think I'm gonna go for the I don't know if I should go for the Lamborghini or the McLaren. Guys, you just comment down below what should I buy, the Lamborghini or the McLaren. If you want me to buy the McLaren, buy that. But if you want me to buy the Lamborghini, I'll get that. I'm fast. Bro, I am going to pass this Ferrari. Oh, I forgot my car is faster. He has upgraded it, I think. That's why I'm slower for now. I'm just getting 5k with this. But yeah. I think we should see at the shop what can. Let's buy something just for show or in the car collection. Let's see what can we buy. There are nice cars that are cheap, and that was a nice parking, but not at the correct place. Okay, let's see. I'm 19k. I can just buy this. It's the first car in the game. Not even a car. I can buy this with the pass, but I don't have Robux. I have this vehicle in my other account, but I can't do anything. I can't buy it right now. So I think we should buy a car right now. I think should we buy this? But nah, I don't think we should. But yeah. I think I really like the GTR. It's one of the best cars I have. Really like it. And so I think I'm gonna use my GTR for this. It looks so cool and at night it's like a beast. The race is in progress. So yeah. Oh, the people are almost here. I don't think we can do this, guys, because as you can see, we're at 9 minutes already and we can only make 10 minutes of the video. So I think we should end the video here, guys. Sorry for nothing in the video, just normal Vehicle Legends gameplay. In the next video, I'll buy a car, the Lambo or the McLaren. You just comment down below what should I buy next, the Lambo or the McLaren. So comment down below, and guys, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Bye.